Welcome to today's tutorial on building a custom hook for efficient API data fetching in React. In the fast-paced world of web development, React has become an essential tool for building dynamic user interfaces. One common task in React applications is fetching data from APIs, and doing this efficiently can significantly enhance the performance of your application while ensuring your code remains clean and reusable. In this video, we will explore how to leverage custom hooks to abstract and optimize your API fetching logic, making your code more maintainable and your applications more responsive. To grasp the power of custom hooks in React, let's take a moment to understand the concept of hooks themselves. Introduced in React 16.8, hooks allow you to use state and other React features without writing a class. They enable functional components to be just as powerful as class components, if not more. Custom hooks are a natural extension of this concept, allowing you to encapsulate reusable logic in a neat package that can be shared across components. Imagine hooks as tools in a toolbox. While React provides the basic tools like useState and useEffect, custom hooks are like specialized tools you create yourself, tailored to solve particular problems. In our case, the problem is fetching data from an API efficiently. A custom hook for data fetching abstracts away the repetitive logic of making API requests, managing loading states, and handling errors. This abstraction not only promotes cleaner code, but also ensures a separation of concerns, as each component can focus on its own logic and presentation, leaving the data fetching to the custom hook. Performance optimization is another key benefit of using custom hooks. By controlling when data fetching occurs, we can reduce unnecessary re-renders and integrate techniques like debouncing and memoization to further boost efficiency. Moreover, this encapsulated logic promotes code reusability, adhering to the DRI, don't repeat yourself, principle, and allows you to reuse the same logic across multiple components with ease. In real-world applications like e-commerce platforms, social media apps, or dashboard applications, this approach can significantly streamline data fetching processes, improving both performance and user experience. However, it's important to design these hooks carefully to handle challenges like error management, data consistency, and complexity, which we'll discuss as we proceed. Now let's dive into the code and see how you can implement a custom hook for API data fetching in a React application. We have a simple project setup with React and Axios for making API requests. Our focus will be on the custom hook defined in the useFetch.js file. This hook will encapsulate the API fetching logic and return data, loading state, and error information to the component that uses it. Let's take a look at the useFetch.js file. In this demonstration, we'll see the custom hook in action within a React application. When you load the application, it initially displays a loading message as the data is being fetched from an API. Once the data is retrieved, the application displays a list of posts, each with a title and body. The efficient fetching logic ensures that the application remains responsive, even if the network is slow. As you scroll through the posts, you'll notice that the application handles data rendering seamlessly without any visible delays or glitches. This showcases the power of our custom hook in managing API data fetching effectively. To wrap up, today we explored the creation of a custom hook for efficient API data fetching in React. We discussed how this approach enhances performance, promotes code reusability, and aligns with modern React practices. By encapsulating fetch logic in a custom hook, you can maintain clean code and improve your application's responsiveness. As you apply this knowledge to your projects, remember to handle challenges such as error management and data consistency carefully. Custom hooks are a powerful addition to your React toolkit, enabling you to build scalable and performant applications. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy coding!